High-tech lovers, which OLED TV is best for you? What is the difference between Samsung's new S85F, S90F and flagship S95F? Stay tuned for all the details on picture quality, features and performance. Display technology. Panel type. Display size. Display resolution. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Color gamut. Typical HDR and HDR brightness. Peak brightness. Response time. Aspect ratio. High frame rate. Anti-reflection. HDR format. Variable refresh rate. Adaptive sync. High gig. Game optimizer. Auto low latency mode. USB ports. HDMI ports. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Optical digital audio out. Screen mirroring. HDMI consumer electronic control. Built-in Chromecast. HDMI audio return channel. Ethernet. Speaker configuration. Sound technology. Sound modes. Speaker direction. Operating system. F type. Processor. Anti-reflection. Voice assistance. Social media interrogation. Voice search. Supported apps. Dimensions with stand. Dimensions without stand. Weight. Wall mount size. TV tuners. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.